Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy F15. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and now search for Wally AI and click search. And then select this application and click install. Then click open. And now you can click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. And now click here on AI assistant to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back and then you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.